Hello, it's Morgan. Today I'm gonna do a slime thing with my friend Savannah. So, today we're just gonna go through slimes and yeah, why not?
The first slime is, I call the watermelon slime. And you can poke it, it's really good at poking. And
Hello. I'm drawing a pigeon again.
what's up with you and pigeons?
Nothing, I just like drawing lovely birds.
So yeah, that was my first slime. Do you want to touch it?
Sure.
Come here.
I'm drawing pigeons.
And I have to grab my other slimes.
I have nothing really to film. I didn't have any ideas, so this is what my idea is today.
So, yeah.
For Monday's post.
It's not Monday though.
No, tomorrow I post.
Ow.
That's how
So,
I edit it later and then I post tomorrow. There, now you guys know how it works.
alrighty. There's my first slime. My second slime, I call the grapefruit. And she's literally playing with Play-Doh. Again.
Yeah.
So I call this the grape slime. It has foam beads in it. And it's purple. So,
Play-Doh.
and Play-Doh. So yeah, this is the grape slime, apparently. So the next slime I have... Okay, so this one is just a crunchy slime, and it's really hard to stretch. It's got a lot of sequency in it. This is what it looks like.
Should I put this one?
And then the next slime is a jiggly slime. This is probably the most jiggliest. It's really, really jiggly. So here it is. And that's the jiggly slime.
Awkward.
And then I have another sequency slime, but it's literally just the same slime as the other sequency. So,
Wonderful. That was great for your audio.
yeah. And then this is just a really bad slime. Yeah. And then another one of a really bad slime. Okay. The next slime I call the unicorn poop slime. But it's not really unicorn poop, so don't worry. It's not unicorn poop.
You know unicorns are actually real?
What?
Unicorns are actually real.
Really?
A unicorn is one piece of corn.
Oh my gosh.
Look what it is. Learning.
And then I have this slime, which I just call a slime because it's really the ugly slime. It's really ugly. And then I have a really sticky slime that is probably not my favorite. The watermelon slime is my favorite, I've gotta say. This slime is, I just call the sticky slime. Yeah, that's a really bad slime. And then, are you still playing with the watermelon slime?
Yeah.
And then that's all my slimes, and yeah. I know I haven't been doing a lot of swirls, but let's do a swirl. So, yeah, let's do a swirl. No. Alrighty. This is how I do. This is how I do swirls. Oh no, this is really fast.
You can't see it.
I don't care. That was trashy. I'm not showing you guys that one. So, let me do one more. That one's okay. I hope you guys could see that. I wasn't really paying attention, but if you couldn't, there it is. Yep, and that was a swirl, and that's the end of the video. Bye!